1996 Ford F250 XLT with a 7.3 liter Powerstroke diesel underneath the hood. And that is paired with an automatic transmission as well as four-wheel drive. This is a great sounding and looking truck for that matter, with the two-tone blue. Chrome and bright work in great shape. Riding on good rubber, good wheels. Just an all-around great truck. If you have any questions about this vehicle, please feel free to give us a call at 507-386-1726. Or you can always check out the still pictures of this car, or truck in this matter, at uniqueclassiccars.com. All right, I got the bed open for you so we can take a look. As I said, this is a very clean truck, very well kept. Nice Duraliner in there. I'll shut this for you. Great lines, everything shuts nice and tight. It's been well taken care of and it definitely shows. A couple things that this truck does have is power front seats, as well as power windows, power locks, and you'll see that in a minute here. Interior is gray vinyl, I would assume. We'll see a couple other things in here. We got some aftermarket gauges on the A-arm there. We got a aftermarket Premier stereo. You got your climate controls here. Your four-wheel drive on the floor. Like I said, automatic on the column there, as well as tilt steering. We do have a center console that does flip up and gives you a third seat as well. And I'll slip around to the other side so we can take a look at the rear seats. And again, like I said, 96 F250 Powerstroke diesel. If you guys had any questions about this, feel free to give us a call at 507-386-1726. All right, single lever operation. Goes nice and forward for you. All right, rear seats, we got a bench back here. We got cup holders on the left and right that flip out. Sliding rear window. Like I said, it's a great truck. Very well taken care of. Carpet's in good shape. Door cards are also in good shape. All around, great truck. Let's see if we can start her up and see how that 7.3 liter sounds. All right. No engine lights or anything, just got the seatbelt light there. Odometer reads 212,923 miles. Like I said before, the Premier stereo installed nicely, climate controls, AC does blow cold, all that good stuff. Let's see if we can pop the hoods, we can take a look. All right, there we have it, 7.3 liter Powerstroke diesel under the hood with 96 Ford F250. Great sounding engine, well taken care of, as you can see. Flip around to the back, hear how she sounds. You'll definitely know when this thing's coming down the road. No smoke or anything like that. Again, check out the still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com, or you can always give us a call. We also accept trades. Financing is available. Again, give us a call, 507-386-1726.